Hi guys, welcome to my show, Battle for Sugar Cookie, where I host Sugar Cookie, and you will be battling for Sugar Cookie. Okay guys, so the teams are 4 teams of 5. Our first team is called Sugar Cookie. Our second team is also called Sugar Cookie. Our third team is called Sugar Cookie. And our final team is called Sugar Cookie. Your challenge today is to press this button. The first team to press this button wins and chooses what team should be eliminated.
Well, guys, I'm really fast. Let me run there. Boop.
Okay, Sugar Cookie won the challenge, so Team Sugar Cookie is safe. So Sugar Cookie, what team do you want to be up for elimination?
I think Team Sugar Cookie should be up for elimination.
So guys, vote for one person on Team Sugar Cookie to be eliminated. Yo. Wait, Sugar Cookie, in the intro, there were 64 sugar cookies, but there's only 20 of us. Why is that?